Hello everyone, welcome back to TechSgems. In today's video, I will show you how to block websites on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open your setting app and here scroll down and tap on screen time. And here under limits and restrictions, tap apps and websites. And at the top, tap restrictions. Then scroll down and tap filtering and websites. Here you will see three options. If you choose limit adult website, your iPhone will block adult websites. Or if you choose approved websites only the websites you approve will be accessible. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.